Hi, hello, my name is Airidas Kirstukas from airidaskirstukas.com, and in today's tutorial I wanna show you how to make nice button like this kind. And if I gonna refresh the page, you will see that would just jump in, and then you have that kind of animation, this kind, the picture background, and I'm scrolling down and I see as well this kind of like clear button and this like gradient one. Let's jump into our Elementor. I'm gonna just create new block and I'm gonna go to the elements and gonna insert the button. So we have simple button, and then you have here default style. You can pick basically different colors, but we don't really need that because we're playing with that. Text, it depends what you wanted to type. Let's say menu, and then you can size small, medium. I'm gonna put medium, and then icon library, you can pick, let's say fish, and insert. Yeah, that we have it. We're gonna make a bit space, and we're going to the style. Here what we need to do first, if we wanted to make a clear one, we need to change this one color. So we're going on the text color, we're gonna pick the dark color. If you wanna, you can adjust typography here, you can increase size. If you want, you can as well pick your another font, let's say this kind of, and spacing, if you want, you can do bigger spacing. Text shadows you can do as well here if you want. I'm gonna leave it as it is. And now with the border, I'm gonna pick the solid one, and then I don't want that would be equally squared. I wanna just keep some kind like shape design. So I pick 10 and 10. And you can see it's made a bit kind of design. And if I'm gonna go to the background color, I just switch it off, basically leaving transparent. So as you can see, menu is already made. If we're gonna pop on a hover, I can go and pick bounced in. Yep. And if you're going to back content, then you can, let's say, center if you want. And the button is made. So that first an option how to make this kind of button. I just gonna go grab as well again menu button. Then we're gonna do with the color one. This one I'm gonna leave it click in here, don't gonna play other settings. Let's say border style, I just gonna do 10 and I disable. Next what we need to do, we need to go to the advanced and we need to go to the background, and here I can pick some picture. Let's say I wanted to display from this picture this kind of fish. I'm gonna insert. It's quite difficult to see, so if we're gonna go to back to the style, we can then disable our button color. It's disappeared, and going back to the background position is default at the moment. We have to do the custom one, and then we have to play until we're gonna to find the spot actually kind of we like. Let's say I wanted to display that would be kind of fish. I liked what I see, that's good. Next I'm gonna go to the border, and if you wanted to have a border, you have as well, you do the same in here, 10 and 10. And you can see already adjusted, but this is stretched through whole section. But if you're gonna go to the position and you're going to the width, you can pick inline auto, and as you can see the button appear here. If you want to align to the center, what you need to go, you need to press on this like kind of button, edit column, and then you have vertical alignment and horizontal, and it's horizontal. I have to pick center, and our button is in the center. So we made this kind of the button. Now let's make the third option, the gradient one. I'm gonna just press new, just gonna insert the button, and then it's so similar to the option like this. If you going to the advanced, to the background, you have to enable the gradient. And let's say I pick this color here, and I pick kind of bluish here, and here I pick 5, and here I pick 95, and angle I'm gonna put 200. Have it. We just have to clear this color. If I'm gonna go to the style, to the background, I need to disable, and you can see if you're gonna want to have this kind of cut corners, you need to do that 10 bottom 10, and then if you're going to advanced background border 10 0, this is okay, 10 and 0, and we have this kind. And about the positioning is same. If you have to go to the positioning and then inline auto, and as you can see, and if you wanna to center, you just press on this kind of the layout option and then pick the center. You have a center actually. If you wanted to kind of squeeze this like the letters inside like this kind of option, so you go and select element and then going to the style, just doing the hover and just do bounce out. So you have a text, and then probably would be nice to have a solid border. And you can see it's playing like this. If I gonna update, I gonna refresh and we can review our button. So as you can see, we made all those kind of buttons, and it's much nice kind of the buttons to have it instead of the default ones. Thank you for watching this, and I would love to hear what you think about the content. Just drop the line below in the comments. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe and put the notification on the bell. Thank you and bye bye to the next time.